Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you friends how to embed Mentimeter in Canva. So follow me in this video, guys. Go to create or choose any project you want to embed. For example, this one. After that, when you choose this one, click on apps. When you click on the apps, choose on this keyword search bar for embed. This is keyword, click this one icon. And then go to Mentimeter, choose your project you want to embed. Click your project, and then you will redirect it to this page. From this page, all you have to do, click preview or share. This is for preview. Just go back, click on this icon. As you can see here, click on start. You have start a lot of option here. Just click on this icon, share option, and then copy this link. Click on share, copy link, go to your Canva, embed, and then click write this one, and then you will see your, as you can see, I embed successfully Mentimeter here. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more.